Hey guys, so we are all done with our Genius Hour projects, and that's both cool and a little sad. You did some great work. Some of your stuff just looks awesome. And some of it wasn't always so perfect every time, but what's important is we learned new things and we tried new things. We did some cool stuff. So now, this week, we are going to switch our gears completely and try to learn and create and build something a little fun. Now, for this idea, I was inspired by the elementary school, which is doing a huge science, design, art, music, collaborative work involving cardboard. So on Schoology, I shared with you links to our website for this new challenge. But if you didn't get that or you didn't go there, what you can do is you can just go here to the classrooms that we've been going on. And if you go here to say, I'm going to use our collaborative engineering example, this website that we've been using, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, a lot of this is taken up with our Genius Hour project. But you get down here to the very end, and look, there's a little box. So it says April 20th and beyond. Now that we're done with our Genius Hour project, you should go here and check out our new projects. So this one is for April 20th through the 29th, so this week and next week. Next week is a short week, and we're done, I think, after Wednesday. So I just push this out this way. So this is a little button, and you can click that button. That's going to take you to our new page for our new project, which is the Cardboard Challenge. I'm excited about this. So basically, you are going to create with cardboard. You're going to create whatever you want. You can create art, you can create a musical instrument, you can create a mask, you can create a costume, whatever you'd like. This box right here is where I'm going to put the screencast you're literally watching. Here's a slide deck that kind of introduces you to this, so you can click through that and you can see some of the cool work our elementary staff has done that I've been inspired by. A lot of that information that's in here I have put down below here. So you've got some tasks that are due, and everything is due April 29th, which is next Wednesday. You're going to use the design cycle. You're going to create something out of cardboard. It's going to be cool. You know, don't just create like something. Be like, look, I made a stick. Come on, that's lame. Do something good. You're also going to create a new website for the Cardboard Challenge. You're going to link this website to your design and innovation page. You're going to create a blueprint. Your blueprint's going to show your design. It doesn't have to be to scale, but it should show some dimensions. And then you're going to create 2 videos for me. And this, again, you've got a whole week and a half to do this, so don't stress out. Sounds like a lot right now, but it's really not. You're going to create a video of the design process, and you working on your cardboard design. That's one video. Then you create a video of your final project, showing it and describing it. And one other thing I'd like you to do is share this on the Flipgrid. And there's a link right here. So when I click on this, what's really cool is, I don't know if you've used Flipgrid before, but it's actually pretty neat. So it's going to take us here. And you can log in with Google. So if you log in with your Google account, we're going to use this one, which is my KIS one, and it's going to log in successfully. And look, you've got a whole bunch of things. PK through grade 2, but we don't want that. We want, look, middle school, high school, faculty and staff. If you want some inspiration, you should come look at some of the stuff. Look at the grade 3 through 5. All these kids posted the cool work they've done. It's really neat, and I think there's some really great work down here, and it's pretty cool. So when you're all done with everything, you'll go here to middle school or high school, and you'll click on that, and then you can add responses, and you just click that little plus button, and it'll allow you to put your stuff in there. So if you might have some trouble finding some ideas, I put some links for you. Here's the KIS Elementary School Collab team, which has a bunch of cardboard tips and tricks. Click that, watch that video. Here's this really attractive and beautiful art teacher who's our elementary art school teacher. I don't know if you know, she's pretty cute. You can watch that video. She's right here and she's laughing about that too. Here's our 2 awesome and music teachers, Mr. Woods and Miss Kayer, also talking about that. I also linked my daughter's project, because you might want to watch that. She built a Pokemon fort for some of her stuffed animals. And then there's a lot more links down here to follow. Cardboard music, cardboard artist, design, how it's recycled. Now, this is all cardboardy, and I told you to share your cardboard, but maybe you didn't. Or maybe you're like, you know, I'm not feeling the cardboard right now, and that's okay. So if you scroll down a little bit further, here's an alternate assignment. You're going to learn how to code. Now, this isn't just like playing around with coding language. This is Code Academy, which is really cool. And Code Academy has these free courses for you to learn different languages. There's HTML, there's Java, there's all kinds of stuff, Python. Some is a little tough, but I'm going to show you how this works. You can go to Code Academy and you can create a profile and you can take a bunch of free courses. I'll show you that in a second. If you are doing Code Academy, though, you still have these same responsibilities. You're going to create a website. It's going to show off your coded learning. It's going to be a new website that's linked to your old ones, just like your cardboard one would be. And you'll create 2 videos, just like the other one. Videos where you introduce the coding you're doing, talking about the resources, the course you're taking, the language you're learning, why you're learning that language. And then you'll create an overview video, again, what you've done after the past 10 days. Screencast, show the coding you're doing, talk about your progression, talk about your editing. You're going to be required to finish a course, though. This isn't just you like playing with coding for a couple hours. So you can either code or you can either cardboard. And by the way, if you click this button right here, that's going to take you to Code Academy, where you sign up and you learn some stuff. So here's my account. I've got a free membership that I just created. And what you can do is you can take like help finding a course. So you click on that and you take a little quiz, and it's going to give you some custom recommendations. So see if coding's right for me, learn enough about code to communicate with engineers, learn technical skills, learn skills to excel as a software engineer, other hobbies, fun, school projects, etc. So if I were you, I would say see if coding is right for me or other. And look, then they give you a choice: web development, software, data science, design, game development. Ooh, I don't know. I'm going to pick design because I like designing. Relaxed, once or twice a week. Focused, or ambitious. Some of you are ambitious. That's cool. Either of these options are okay. I'm going to pick relaxed and just see what it tells me. My main tool. So how do you plan on using Code Academy? My main tool. Are you learning it in different ways? Custom course. I'm going to say this will be my main tool. And then it's going to give me a recommendation. And it says, learn how to build websites. Ooh, that's funny because I build all these Google websites. And then I could start that course, and that's a free course. So those are your options. Learn to code or build some cool stuff with cardboard. I feel that's a good mix of design stuff as well as technical stuff. So you could, if you really want to get crazy, you can put them both together. But no pressure on that part. So I'm excited for the next 10 days with you learning some new things and building and having fun. All right, you guys, I will talk to you later and see you tomorrow for class. Bye.